So I'm out here in the rain today. Put down some black fabric here so the vines of the watermelons can grow on, and I ain't gotta cut them out the grass. The vines are starting to touch the ground, so we'll see what happens over the next few days. Pepper plants are doing good. Watermelon look like it's having a little trouble. I don't know if it's insects or a nutrition deficiency, but I started hitting it with some of the duck water as well as the manure that it has in it already. So hopefully everything turns out right. I don't want to hit it with no other nutrients. I just want to give it straight duck manure. I just harvested some of the collard greens there, fed it to the birds, and they devoured it. Alright. I trimmed the onions the other day. What's remaining of them, since we had that windstorm and knocked out more than half. Yeah, so got the hazelnut tree back there, still doing good. Nice and green. Had a bunch of ants on it last week or a couple weeks ago, and I put some diatomaceous earth out and wiped it out for the time being. I haven't put anything out this week because I knew it was going to rain. But we'll see what happens. Got the dapper willows over there trying to come in. So we'll see. Got a few flowers on the watermelon plants, but no small melons yet. Haven't really seen too many pollinators out here, so I guess once the weather breaks and gets nicer, it should be on and popping. All the ducks been out here rolling around in the mud. Look at Adele's face. Look at Adele. Look at you, Adele, all dirty. You need to jump in that pool to rinse off.